In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable macros in Microsoft Excel. Macros are a powerful feature that allows you to automate repetitive tasks, saving time and improving efficiency. Whether you're creating reports, formatting data, or performing calculations, enabling macros can help you streamline your workflow. By the end of this video, you will know how to enable macros safely and effectively so you can start using them in your Excel workbooks. First, open the Excel file in which you want to enable macros. Make sure the file is saved in a trusted location because Excel will often disable macros and files from unknown sources for security reasons. Next, go to the File tab at the top left corner of your Excel window. This will open the Backstage view where you can access all of Excel's settings and options. Click on Options at the bottom of the menu to open the Excel Options window. Inside the Excel Options window, look to the left-hand side and click trustcenter. Then, click on trustcenter Settings to open the detailed security settings for Excel. Here, you will find all the controls related to macrosecurity. In the trustcenter Settings window, click on Macrosettings. You will see several options for enabling or disabling macros. For beginners, it's best to select Enable All Macros, which allows all macros to run in your workbook. Be aware that this can pose a security risk if the workbook contains untrusted code, so only use this option with files from reliable sources. Additionally, check the option Trust Access to the VBA Project Object Model. This allows macros to interact with Excel's programming interface, which is required for some advanced automation. After making your selections, click OK to apply the settings in the Trust Center, then click OK again to close the Excel Options window. Your Excel workbook is now configured to allow macros. To test that macros are enabled, return to your Excel file. If there is a macro in the workbook, you should see a security warning near the top of the worksheet. Click Enablecontent to allow the macro to run. Now, macros are ready to be used. You can run existing macros or create new ones using the Developer tab or the View tab in Excel. Enabling macros safely helps automate your tasks while keeping your work secure. Always make sure the macros you run are from trusted sources to prevent any issues. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.